You need to watch this if you struggle with capturing breathtaking landscapes. Your photos are about to level up. Landscape photography is all about capturing the beauty of the world around us. Think sweeping vistas, dramatic skies, and nature's finest moments. First off, find the right light. The golden hour just after sunrise or before sunset is your best friend. It adds warmth and depth to your shots. Next, composition is key. Use the rule of thirds to balance your photo. Imagine a grid over your image and place your main subjects along the lines or at the intersections. Don't forget about your foreground. Adding an interesting element up front gives your photo depth and draws viewers in. Now let's talk gear. A good DSLR or mirrorless camera with a wide-angle lens is perfect for capturing expansive scenes. And a sturdy tripod? Essential for those sharp, low-light shots. Landscape photography is best for patient explorers. You might wait hours for the perfect light or weather conditions. But when it all comes together, the results are worth it. So, get out there and start shooting. Experiment, be patient, and most of all, have fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks. Happy snapping!